What up guys, Derek Sosa Portal back for another quick video. If you haven't subscribed, please do guys. I need all the help I can get. Today we're talking about a great tool to use for those of you who film with your iPhones. Now, if you really want to up your game with an iPhone, there's only one way to do it, and it's by getting something like this, Osmo Mobile 2. I picked this up for my son because he wanted it for Christmas, and or it was his birthday, either, doesn't matter. I bought this for my son, and he has been putting together some great content for him and his friends. He's making videos and movies, which I'm so proud of him for that. But this right here, if you don't have one, will seriously up your game. Comes in this case right here. Open it up, boom, looks like this. What it is a combo hand grip with a mobile phone bracket. You got a joystick over here to move your phone from up and down in every angle that you need. You got your power button, which doubles up as if you're recording and you have moved your phone to be at an upward angle. Well, then you just hit this, tap it twice, it'll go back to that original straight point. Now, you also got a zoom on the side. Zoom in, zoom out, which is also pretty cool for an iPhone itself, right? So you don't have to go and try and do it manually. You got that button right here on the side. Now, this pairs up with the DJI Go app, which matches up, syncs up very good through the Bluetooth of your phone. And then you can go in there in the settings and just change things up a little bit, make it a little bit more cinematic, because if you leave the zoom right over here onto its normal setting, it's way too fast and doesn't look cinematic whatsoever. So you can slow down the speed of the zoom. So you go in there in the settings and just tweak up, fine tune those little things here. It has these adjustable knobs over here on the back. That is to balance it. With the gimbal, it's very easy to balance. It's not complicated. Basically, what you want it to be able to do is to put your phone in any angle, any direction, and it'll stay there once it's perfectly balanced. Then you turn it on, and it forces your motors a little bit less, okay? So any type of stabilizer, if you have stabilizer for your camera or for your iPhone, it's the same thing. You balance it out first so that you're not just forcing the craziness out of those motors, okay? You're supposed to balance it so that it works perfectly. You slide your phone in here. I haven't had any problems with this or feel like my phone might fall down. So this is great. Now you pair this up right here with something like a Ulanzi cordless mic, which I have a video out or coming soon. You team that up with this, and you have just upped your game completely. The only negative thing about this, I find, is that it doesn't come with a tripod, but it does have, the whole 4 tripod. So I actually have a little mini one, put it in here so that I could actually stand this up as well. So that is, it's practical. I just, don't like the fact that I had to buy it separately. Luckily for me, I didn't have to buy one. I already had one. The other things that are great about this is it's rechargeable, right? And you don't need to go keep putting brand new batteries in every couple of weeks. You just plug it in, your charger. It comes with a charger. This is a serious tool. By far, the coolest function in this right here is the self-tracking mode, which is insane, okay? You just hold down a button and boom, self-track whatever it is. You kind of highlight the thing that you want and you follow that everywhere. And that to me is insane and very, very practical for anybody who does any type of filming for any type of social media. That self-tracking is just such a game changer, because everybody knows the camera on your screen is way worse than the cameras on the back of your phone. So you want to be using the camera on the back of your phone, but how can you use that and know that you're framed up right? Self-tracking on this bad boy right here. So this teamed up with your phone is an amazing tool, an amazing advantage. This right here came in, we bought it, I bought it used at like 80 bucks. And I think online these are like, I don't know, 120, 200 bucks, something like that. The DJI OSMO Mobile 2. Yes, of course, they're gone further and they're up further and further and further. But what I talk about on these videos is tools that you can use that'll get you what you need done that is great. When you watch these big YouTubers, they're gonna talk great about the newest one. And I'm telling you, you can get a lot done with this. So when you're out there and you're like, well, if only I had this, I can't, because I don't have this tool, that's why I'm not doing this. Something like this, you can get your project done, get you right to where you want to be. If you're using your cell phone, this is what you want. I could honestly say that I'm gonna start using this right here with my cell phone, catching behind the scenes on some of this stuff that I do. And when I do something, a wedding, whatever, I could set it down, put that tracking on, and just do my job and not have to worry about, I gotta go move my camera. I gotta go move my cell phone. No, it's following me, I'm good to go. I'll be using a lot more often. It's gonna give me a lot more angles in these videos that I'm doing. You're wondering how to up your iPhone game. Something like this, mixed with a lapel mic. Golden stuff, guys. Peace.